This is Maria Clara A. Peña, inviting you to visit my personal website at www.claimer12.blogspot.com. Here, you will be able to know me better. My profile, my family background, my favorites, like my favorite place, our church, my favorite color, like the color of my shirt today. For the meantime, let's take a glance to our Santa Maria Catholic Church World Heritage Site. Come on, join me. But wait, I have to introduce first my friend, Ate Marisa, and the one who's taking my video today, Ate Froy,
Hi!
including my friend, Ate Jane, but she's not around today. Come on, join me. This is the picture of Virgin Mary, who descended from heaven. This is the entrance to go inside. And this is our campanario, who rings every 6 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and 6 o'clock in the evening. Come, let's take a tour. This is my favorite flower. And this is Calachuchi, right? Isn't it beautiful?
Yes!
By the way, thank you for visiting my website and thank you for viewing also my video. Hope you will view it again. Thank you. Bye-bye.